Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert an A3 page in Microsoft Word. So click on Layout. Here is the option Size. Click here and select A3. Also you can print in A3 format. So File, Print, and here in the page setup select A3. Here are more setups for print, like you can select one page per sheet, scale to page, so select A3. So this is the setting, guys. You can print or create and change paper size in Microsoft Word. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you. Also guys, you can set A3 as a default. So layout, size, more paper size, select A3 and set as default. Now here click on yes. Now reopen your Microsoft Word. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.